What is the main purpose of the cluster display in the 2025 Hyundai Sonata? And how does it help drivers monitor vehicle performance and essential metrics? What colors are used in the warning lights, and what do they represent in terms of vehicle status or safety? And helping you understand each symbol to ensure a smooth and worry-free driving experience.
Instrument cluster.
Instrument cluster and dashboard offer a digital, customizable display for a modern and engaging driving experience. Gauges and meters. The speedometer indicates the speed of the vehicle and is calibrated in miles per hour, mph, and/or kilometers per hour. The tachometer indicates the approximate number of engine revolutions per minute, RPM.
Cluster indicators.
Airbag warning light, seatbelt warning light, anti-lock brake system warning light, electronic brake force distribution system warning light, parking brake warning light, motor-driven power steering warning light, charging system warning light, malfunction indicator lamp, lane safety indicator light, engine oil pressure light, electronic stability control off indicator light, electronic stability control indicator light, low fuel level warning light, high beam indicator light, immobilizer indicator light, light on indicator light, forward safety warning light, high beam assist indicator light, master warning light, LED headlight warning light, inattentive driving warning light, turn signal indicator light, speed limiter indicator light, lane following, assist indicator light, intelligent speed limit, assist indicator light, auto hold indicator light, electronic parking brake warning light, low tire pressure warning light, automatic vehicle hold light. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.